Palm Jumeirah Beachfront Apartments, the latest launch is happening imminently, and you are going to have a property with this private beach. Isn't it fabulous? And if you carry on looking right the way to the end, you'll see the Royal Atlantis and then the original Atlantis. Sorry, it's a little bit windy. So we are launching properties on this beachfront. This is your ocean here. This is your view out towards Dubai Marina and all the way back down this beach. One bedrooms will be launching from 4.4 million, two bedrooms from 6.5 million, and three bedrooms just short of 10 million dirham. And the beauty is that these are ready in just 18 months from now. That is 18 months to have your very own beachfront property here on the Palm Jumeirah. Now the payment plan is 70% during construction over 18 months, and at handover you pay 30%. I'm going to put all the details below in the description. Press like on this video, press subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any more updates again. And you will also have the full information on the sizes of the apartments, the payment plan, and exactly what it is you can book. And the beauty is of this building that because we're on the Crescent, you actually have sea views from both sides of the building. So there are views towards the Burj Al Arab behind me, over to the ocean, and this side towards the Palm Jumeirah and Atlantis and Dubai Marina. So I think you'll agree with me, this is a superb location. Living on the Palm Jumeirah, you have access to Nakheel Mall, which is a shopping mall with more than 300 stores and a supermarket, a swimming pool. You have a 5-kilometer running track. Of course, you have this private beach where you can have your very own kayak or stand-up paddleboard. So you're really buying into a beach lifestyle in the only man-made island to be seen from space. Welcome to the Palm Jumeirah. Thank you so much for watching, and don't miss out if you want one of the last beachfront affordable plots anywhere in Dubai today.